I want to talk about financial fit. The obvious answer here is once you have all your financial aid award letters, you can compare all of them to determine which college is going to be the best deal. Now, the right answer for you may not be the cheapest college because, yes, you want a return on investment. Some colleges may seem like a better option for you over time. But this should help you at least know which colleges are probably not likely for you. I have a lot of students that don't want to talk about finances, but unfortunately, it's the elephant in the room. You got to talk about it when you're making your college choice. Now, I can't tell you what the right financial fit is for you and your family, but that is a good place to start. You can also look at things like how far away is the college from home? Do you have to take a flight? Do you have to take 2 flights? Do you have to drive super far with all your stuff? Is the major that you got into one where you suspect you will make more money after graduation? Now, I don't necessarily think that financial aid should be your number one determining factor, although I do understand that for a lot of my families it is. However, it should be an important piece of your decision-making process here.